Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel with me, Miss Ayu from SMA Al Muslim. So today I'm going to tell you about the new material. It's about procedure text. This material it will be learned in the grade 10. Hello guys. So in the first we will discuss about the generic structure of procedure text. That we will analyze about the goals or aims of the text. The goals atau tujuannya ya based on the text ya. Tujuannya you have to do something. You show about how to make something, that you have to show how to operate something. Jadi kalian lihat apakah dia how to make ya it's mean procedure text as a recipe, how to make atau how to operate. Nah, how to operate it mean that the kind of procedure is manual. Jadi bagaimana mengoperasikan sesuatu dan sebagainya. Oke. Okay? How to make and how to operate something. Oke. Okay. Let's go into the material. In the material that you will see about the ingredient. If you talk about a recipe, all the material is needed if you talk about manual. Yeah, so it's about material. And then the methods. Series of steps to achieve the purpose. Jadi adalah rangkaian dari step atau tahapan. Jadi ini adalah step-step yang ada di dalam procedure text. And then about language feature. Di language feature ini you have to using action verb ya, like cut, steer, put, fold, and others. And then using imperative. Ya, imperatif itu apa? Perintah. Nah, kalau action verb ya kata kerja. Kemudian using simple present tense. Subject verb 1 ya. You still remember about the formula. Subject verb 1 like do, this, do or that. And then using a linking words to do with time like first, when, then, are, and then the connector and others. Okay, about the language feature. Okay everyone, after you understand about the identifying, the structure, and then what the procedure text, I'm going to bring you more detail about the procedure text meaning, and Miss I will give you the example of the assessment task. There are two texts that we will discuss about procedure text. You can understand what I mean. That I hope that you enjoy with my explanation. Thank you. In this time, Miss I will explain you again about the definition of procedure text. Definition of procedure text is a text that explain how two people make or do something step by step. Jadi bagaimana orang itu membuat sesuatu atau melakukan sesuatu dengan step dan stepnya. Seperti itu ya. Jadi ini adalah how to make something atau how to operate something. And then the purpose atau tujuannya. Di tujuannya to tell or to explain the readers how to make, operate, to do something. Pasti ya, like a sequence of action or step. Jadi tujuannya adalah untuk tadi apa? Seperti tadi penjelasan saya sebelumnya, menjelaskan kepada pembaca atau viewers ya, bagaimana membuat sesuatu atau mengoperasionalkan sesuatu. How to make or how to operate something. Like for example, how to make some food or how to operate something ya, through a sequence of action. Jadi melalui beberapa action atau tahapan atau langkah. And then the generic structure, like Miss I said before, consists of goals or aim, materials, and then step atau langkah-langkah. Then the language feature using imperative sentence ya, kalimat perintah yang tadi Miss A udah jelaskan, simple present tense, subject verb 1, and then using action verb like make, put. Nah, like before that I have talked with this language feature. Connective sequence and then using adverbial or sequence using give you two text that here. Ini soal TKA ya. This is about procedure text, how to organize something, how to make sticker with quotes. Nah, this is the kind of procedure text manual. Jadi ini adalah caranya ya, manual procedure text. After you seen the text here ya, for the example of the question and what step come immediately after selecting photo. Step apa yang akan dilakukan setelah selecting foto ini? Nah, you can see based on the text. Kalian bisa langsung lihat di teks. Karena biasanya soal prosedur teks itu pasti yang ditanyakan tadi adalah stepnya. Ya, kalian lihat ya. Step apa yang dilakukan setelah memilih foto atau video ya yang dipilih yang jelas. Nah, kita lihat di sini. Apakah nomor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 atau 6? From number 1 until number 6, let's check. After you choose the video clear subject. Nah, berarti ini ya. After this berarti apa? Nah, point 4 automatically generate from the photo or video, and then you can select manually the both left select the object bla 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 until the sticker. Berarti di sini adalah ya. Kita cek di sini berarti apa? Generate. Oke, berarti betul jawabannya adalah wait for app generate. Oke. Jadi saya tekankan kembali, if you seen about the procedure text, you will find some question like this. Jadi di sini fokusnya adalah keywordsnya adalah stepnya, langkahnya. Ya, biasanya ini sering ditanyakan ya, langkah atau step itu biasanya sering ditanyakan dalam soal. Kemudian ada what feeling might be readers have after reading the text. What feeling might the reader have after reading the text. Ini perasaan pembaca mungkin ya setelah membaca teks tersebut. Nah, apakah confused, pusing, curious and excited, tertarik dan pengen mencoba, bored, bosan, worried, takut, discouraged? Tidak kan mungkin. Nah, berarti jawabannya adalah setelah itu kemungkinan membaca adalah curious and excited. So thank you for watching. See you for the next video.